How to insert video in PowerPoint. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert a video into PowerPoint to make your presentations more engaging and dynamic. This method works on Windows and Mac, and I'll cover both online and offline videos, so let's get started. First things first, what you need to do is open PowerPoint. You can do that by searching for PowerPoint and simply tap on open. Once it's open, simply go to the blank presentation, or you can also go to the PowerPoint where you want to add a video and tap on the slide where you want to add a video. From there, simply go to insert and tap on the right corner of the screen. From there, you can see video. Simply there, you can find three options, that is this device, stock videos and online videos. To add video from your gallery, what you need to do is simply tap on this device and simply go to downloads or videos. From there, choose your video that you want to insert, like this. You can also resize your video by simply making it smaller or bigger. To insert the online video, same, repeat that process, but simply tap on insert videos from online. And that's it. That's how you can simply add a video in a PowerPoint slide.